Hi, I'm Trey Binford, North America Dispensers Product Manager. This year at NACS, we're very excited to talk about our new 4644 dispenser with ethanol capability. This dispenser uses our double dual blender technology to offer the maximum amount of fueling options at the forecourt. We're showcasing it here with 6 buttons: diesel, E85, unleaded 88, also called E15, and 3 grades of E10, 87, 89, and 93. This is built on our recently redesigned Helix platform that has more metal and glass for the most durability in your forecourt application. It's also incredibly modular in that as your payment needs change over time, it's easy to upgrade and for technicians to do service on. These are just some of the ways that the Helix is one of the most flexible and dependable platforms. Thank you.